Who's ready to get their hands gooey and glittery? Welcome to the slime lab where anything can happen. Welcome to the slime lab. I've got 3 mystery ingredients today. Each one can change the slime in a crazy way. Are you ready to spin the wheel of slime? Let's spin it. What will we get? Ooh, unicorn glitter. Let's add it in. Wow, it's so sparkly. Monster eyes? Ah, are they watching me? Just kidding. Let's toss them in. And now, bubble potion? This slime might just float away. Time to mix it up. Stir, stir, stir. This slime is getting super stretchy and super weird. Let's see the final result. Ta-da, here it is, our crazy magical slime. What should we add next time? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more squishy fun every week. Bye!